finally got this stupid ass ticket signed off, man. I hate the fucking rent-a-cops when the ones that park, bruh. Not the ones that park. I hate the parking enforcement rent-a-cops, because they literally be ticketing for anything. Like, this ticket was what's it called? It was my fault because I didn't put on my registration ticker. I can't even talk. I didn't put on my registration sticker for like who knows how long, and they got me for it, and my car was parked. It wasn't like I was driving. Give me a second, hold on, let me just get out of here because car is super low. I didn't put on my registration sticker, even though my registration is paid for who knows how long, and it was one of those freaking rent-a-cop parking guys that gave me the ticket, so I couldn't do anything about it. And yeah, woo! First gear ain't no joke. Probably should have waited. But hell no, I got places to be. Aha! Rain! Nice. Man, I really wanted to get some pulls for you guys with the new GoPro 360 Max, because I had just tested it out with this new mount that I got, and it's pretty dope. So let me actually show you guys some of that footage. Woohoo! Potholes. Excuse me, guys. I'm still testing it out. That will probably be the next video with the GoPro 360 as soon as this rain clears up, because over here in California, I don't know if you guys have been paying attention to the news and all that, but like there is a lot of rain over here and a whole bunch of floods. I shouldn't even be driving this car right now, but hey, I have to drive the race car. Like, I haven't driven this thing in a while, and I miss it, you know? Like, I just miss it. Next video will be with the 360 GoPro cam, hopefully soon, because this rain needs to clear up.
I put my money on casino.